Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Fonts from Google, and you can use plenty of Google Fonts. And for this I'm going to Google Fonts. There are plenty of Google Fonts here. You can use it whatever you want, whichever you want. I'm using this one. You can use any of this. I'm selecting this bold one, and if you want to choose another one, you can. I'm using this. Select this type, and I have chosen to just click here and link this to your style sheet, or not style sheet. Copy this over the head and copy this font family and paste it on the CSS. I haven't given a semicolon. It's a really very important thing in my code. If you miss one, your code will not work. So it's the important thing. Remember this. If you wanna try the second one, just copy this link and paste it here. So this is the process of Google Fonts. You can use it like this. Thank you.